Hey guys, what's up? Let's make a burger at home. First of all, wash your hands properly. Then we are gonna slice some purple onions. Let's add some spices, some garlic powder, some black pepper, some ginger powder, a little bit red chili, a little bit salt, a little bit lemon juice. Mix it up. Cut some cucumber, some tomato, don't forget to stir the onions. Keep the heat medium to low. Put some butter. Make a bowl of meat. Press it on the pan. Put an egg as well if you would like. Flip the meat. I would also like some potatoes on the side. These are croquettes. Adjust your air fryer. Flip over the patty again. Also the egg. The egg is done. Now slice the bun. Put one side onto the same pan. Flip over the bun. Let's put some cheese slices on the top of patty. Let's add our favorite sauces. So this is the final look of my burger. It looks amazing. Can't wait to eat it right now. I'm also gonna drink a protein coffee with it. It contains 25 grams of protein and caffeine. Gonna start with the nacho. Now it's time to find out the result. How does it taste? And here we go. Bismillah. Oh my god. I cannot explain